Hello guys, good morning. Today I'm gonna explain what is the computer architecture and the computer organization, and what is the difference about these two things. Firstly, I want to introduce what is the computer architecture. Computer architecture refers to the design of the computer system. It involves understanding the structure and behavior of the system. It includes the CPU, memory, and input-output component. So it's the definition and purpose of the computer architecture. Defining the computer architecture, emphasizes the design decision and instruction sets for the processor, memory system, and the input-output modules. And the purpose of the computer architecture, it aims to optimize computer system for a specific function and performance criteria. So, for the generalization of this computer architecture, it means the computer architecture is purpose on the right system, on the right of the efficiency or what is the processor uh, to the base instruction and design into the efficiency as soon, as good as possible. So, what is the key component of the computer architecture? The first is instruction sets. It recognizes the operation and a research available to program. And second is processor design. It includes the structure, data paths, and the control units of the CPUs. And the third is memory hierarchy. Refers to various levels of the memory storage and their access times. So it's the key component of the computer architecture. That that means these three component is very important and very useful for the building of the computer architecture, and it's not being useless one and two. So if this instruction sets is also the processor design, if the processor design is not efficiency enough, so the memory will not good as enough for the instruction set. The firstly, next is the example of the computer architecture design. Data-oriented architecture is one of this example. It's designed for handling the process large volume of data efficiency. So it's like the mining data and the data storage for the useful things, maybe for the research and for using for the other things. Another is von Neumann architecture, a classic design featured in the single data bus for the memory access. And the next is Harvard architecture. This utilizes separate buses of the for data and instruction fetch. So the main system is, what is the difference between computer architecture and computer organization? The first, focus. Computer architecture emphasizes performance and efficiency, while the computer organization focus on how the system works. So, as I say before, the computer architecture is one who emphasize and one of the important for the performance and efficiency. What is the computer gonna do? What is computer gonna works? And the computer organization is how good the system can works and how good it manages the works in that computer. Second is level of the abstraction. Architecture is at a higher level, while organization is at lower, more detailed level. So it's like the abstraction. I mean, like the generation of architecture and the organization. So if this architecture, we must build the fundamental things, and the other, and then we must build what we gonna build at the computer itself. So it's like we have a motherboard and other things. So we have the CPU, LU, and other things. So it's like the detail and the fundamental things for the architecture, because it's like we build something that must be good for the computer, and while the organization is like we manage of the all architecture we're gonna build we built before and make them works efficiency and more good as it wanna be good. So the next is definition and purpose of the computer organization. Defining computer organization is focused on the internal structure and functionalities at the hardware level. So, and the second is purpose of computer organization. Ensure all the components work together, efficiency, to execute program instruction. And it seems like we said before, like this. Yeah, we can see the computer architecture is performance and efficiency and focused in functionalities at the hardware level, while the while the computer organization is focusing uh, what can this system works and integrated to be better and works uh, good and yeah efficiency for the helping we built architecture before. And we must next of the of the key component of computer organization. Control units direct the operation of the processor and other components. And LU, the arithmetic logic units, it perform arithmetic and logical operation on data. Another thing is register, temporary hold data instruction and during processing. So it's the example of computer organization is CISC architecture, emphasize complex instruction and high performance, and RISC architecture focus on simpler and faster instruction for efficiency. And the last thing is what importance of understanding computer architecture and computer organization. The first, efficiency system design. Understanding this concept leads to the development of the faster, more efficient computer system. So we can understand uh, what makes the computer is fast and efficiency is better than before, and what things that this computer can work efficiently like we want to be. Next is optimized programming. Developer can create more efficient application and utilize hardware effectively and tree in troubleshootings and maintenance, facilitating diagnosing and fixing hardware and software issue. So this is the less and why we must know what is the computer sector and organization, and we just know what is the difference of these two things. And for the summary, so the computer architecture is like a fundamental things to build a computer to be a better or to be a better and efficiency, while the organization is managed but all this structure gonna be integrated with a good system and works properly.